Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and only want custom new construction on one level? Today you're in luck. That's what we're gonna check out right now. Let's go. All right, today, so we're in an area just outside of Belmead. Belmead is one of the wealthiest zip codes in Middle Tennessee, probably in Tennessee, maybe in the country, and a beautiful area. So we're just a little bit southwest of Nashville. You have everything over here. You gotta go, if you move here, you gotta go check out Belmead Plantation. Actually, almost got married there right before COVID though, so we had to change plans. It didn't work out, but beautiful area. Hillwood Country Club is close by, and you just have everything on the west side of Nashville that's available. So great spot. And now if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We're out here every single week looking at new properties just for you. So hit that subscribe button, bell notification, all that fun stuff if you like our content, and we'll be putting these out every single week. Comment below also what your favorite part about this house is. Let's take a look at the specs here. So here's the front of the home. You have a wraparound driveway and you're on just 0.85 acres. So less than an acre lot, but as you can see, it's one level, one ranch style, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2.5 baths, 5,189 square feet. So a huge house. I love the openness of the living area. I love the wine cellar right there in the dining room. And I love the layout. You have several bedrooms on one side of the house. The primary suite is over there. And then on the other side, you have a guest bedroom. And it's just a great layout. I think you're gonna love this one. It has an office. It has another living space. And of course, for me, I'm gonna love the screened-in porch if you've watched any of my other videos. So just great layout, 3-car garage on the other side there. And you're gonna love it. Before we go check this out, I'm gonna put my phone number and my email there. Write that down and book a one-on-one consultation with me. I would love to help you make a smooth transition from wherever you are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. But let's check this out. Let's go. What did you think about that tour? I think my favorite thing about this house is it's just all one level, keeps going and going, and they did a great job with the detail of the work. That wine cellar in the dining room is just a great idea. I love that owner's suite, that bathroom, and I love the lot here. It's quiet, it's peaceful. Of course, I'm on the screen and porch, so I love this. Always my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed that. And again, I'm Scott Hardesty. As much as we love creating these videos, we love even more helping you find your next home here in Nashville, Tennessee. It doesn't matter your price range, schedule a call, book a one-on-one consultation. We would love to help you make a smooth transition from wherever you are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. You know, we're out here looking every single week, custom homes, new homes. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what builders are doing, what designers are doing, what stagers are doing, and you can see what's in style, what's not in style anymore, and just get some ideas for your next home. So if you maybe you're going to build in the future, if you need those connections, obviously, we know the builders of these places, a lot of them. And so hope this helps. Comment below what's your favorite part of this home, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.